So here it has been told to show that the right circular cylinder of a given surface and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. So let's say this is the right circular cylinder having height h, and if the radius is r, then the diameter of the base will be 2r, and the surface area is fixed, which is equal to, we know that pi r square 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So that is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. So that is constant, that is fixed. Since it is told that it has a given surface and the volume is maximum, and so its volume, that is equal to pi r square h. So that will be maximum if the height is equal to the diameter of the base, means if h is equal to 2r. So that we have to prove. We have to show this. We have to prove this. The volume is maximum if the height of the cylinder equals to twice of the radius. So now, therefore, we can say that 2 pi r into r plus h, that is equal to a. And so volume V of, so from here, so V, the surface area is fixed. So I can say that r plus h, that is equal to a by 2 pi r. So therefore, you can say that h is equal to a by 2 pi r minus r. So therefore, the volume is a function of r. We can write it as pi r square h. So that is equal to pi r square into a by 2 pi r minus r. So this volume should be maximum. So therefore, this volume is, the volume is maximum if v dash r, that is equal to 0, and v double dash r, that is less than 0, then that point r will be called as the point of local maximum of the function v of r. So then we can say that r is the point of local maxima of the function v of r. So now, therefore, v dash r, that will be equal to, so this we can write it as a by 2 pi r. So actually v of r, we have to first simplify it. So this is a by 2 pi r into pi r square, a by 2 pi r into pi r square minus pi r cube. So that will be pi will cancel, r will cancel. That is a r by 2 minus pi r cube. So that is v of r. Now therefore, v dash r, that will be the first derivative of this function. So that is a by 2 minus 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square. And v double dash r, that will be equal to minus 6 pi r. So now v dash r should be equal to 0 at which point? So therefore 3 pi r square, that should be equal to a by 2. So it means that r square should be equal to a by 6 pi. So therefore r will be equal to root over a by 6 pi. So now therefore this a by, for this v double dash of root over a by 6 pi. So that will be equal to minus 6 pi into r, that is root over a by 6 pi. So that will be minus root over 6 pi a, root over 6 pi a, and v dash r is 0. So V double dash of this, so which is less than 0. So R equal to A root over A by 6 pi. So therefore, at R equal to root over A by 6 pi, the value of V dash R equal to 0 and V double dash R is less than 0. So R is the point of local maxima. So now, if R is equal to root over A by 6 pi, over A by 6 pi, then H will be equal to how much? H will be equal to A by 2 pi R, A by 2 pi R minus R. So that will be equal to A by 2 pi into root over A by 6 pi minus root over A by 6 pi. So that will be equal to, so this will be root over, this is 6 pi by, this will be 4, so 4 pi square into this will be A by root A minus root over A by 6 pi. So this will be equal to pi square will cancel, 2 to the 4, 2, 3 are 6. So this will be root A. So this will be root over 3A by 2 pi minus root over A by 6 pi. So this is H. So H will be equal to, so from here we can see that A will be equal to 6 pi R square. A is equal to 6 pi R square. So H will be equal to root over 3A means 3 into 6. So 18 pi R square by 2 pi minus this is 6 pi R square by 6 pi. So that will be 2 9s 18. So H will be equal to, so square root of 9R square minus square root of R square. So therefore H will be equal to 3R minus R, that is equal to 2R. So hence we can say that, hence the volume of the cylinder, the volume of the right circular cylinder of fixed surface area, the volume of the right circular cylinder, the volume of the right circular cylinder having fixed surface, the volume of the right circular cylinder having fixed surface is maximum when H is equal to 2R. It means when the height of the cylinder is equal to the diameter of its base. Means that when the height of the cylinder is equal to the diameter of the base, so hence proved. Thank you.